Friends, welcome to FreeCAD part modeling tutorial, and in this tutorial we will convert this toggle lever isometric drawing into the 3D model. As you can see that I have already made it, and I will show you from the scratch how you can do the same in FreeCAD. So let's start. So I will create a new file, and I will create a new body, and I will on my plane. So here first we will create this outer profile, and then we will extrude it with the width, and then we will adapt the rest of the features like remove of the material here and here, and we will mirror this to other side. So this is how we are going to model this part. So for this I will select this exit plane, and I will say sketch, and I will draw a circle, and this circle is this one. I will make it at my origin. Either I can also make this one origin. So before starting the part sketching, it is very important to select the base features. If you not select the right features, then number of a feature will increase in your browser tree, and it will increase the size of the model. So now I will off my plane, and I will read the dimension. So it is a 19.08. so I will select this one, and I will give dimension of 19.08, and I will draw a 3-point arc here, and I will merge its center. I will select these two, and I will say merge, and radius is here R22. So I will select and give it a radius of 22, and then at here we will draw circle of R12.75 on a line which is a 15 degree and length is 49. So I will select line, and I will draw a line here, and I will select this line and this axis, and I will give angle of 15 degree, and I will give it dimension of 49, and I will create a circle with diameter of 12.75. so I will select diameter, and I will set 12.75. Now we want this line as a construction line. It won't be part of our sketch, so I will select this line and make it construction. Now I will adjust my arc. Now for this circle I will draw a arc here which is R14. so I will select 3-point arc, and I will draw a approximate arc, and I will select this point of arc and circle point, and I will merge it, and I will give it radius of 14. Now I will join these two arc by line, so I will select this point and this point, and I will draw a line. Now I will make it tangent, so I will select these two and make it tangent, similar to this and this, and I will make it tangent. Now I will draw a line of length 57, so I will select this point and create a line and I will make it tangent as well. Now I will give it dimension of 57. Now here if we see, total height is 36 here, so we will make first total height, cut we are adapt later, so I will draw a line here and I will give it dimension of 36, and after that we will make this arc of R67. So I will draw our arc and give a dimension of 67, and this arc would be tangent with this R14, means this R67 and R14 are the tangent. So I will select these 2 points and I will say merge and I will make it tangent. So here is our sketch is fully constrained because everything turned into the green. Now I will close it and I will create a pad, and here we will read the dimension, which is a 28.58 is the maximum width, so I will give here 28.58 and I will make it symmetric to the plane and I will say OK. Now we are going to adapt the cut. First we will adapt this cut, we will adapt this cut, and later on we will adapt the cut at the top, and then we will adapt this cut. So I will select this face and I will say sketch, and here I require this edge, so I will project this one and then I will draw a rectangle and I will delete this and I will draw a 3-point arc and I will make it tangent, and here I will make it symmetric, so I will select these 2 points and make it symmetric. So here is some conflict, so I will look for that is constraint 5, so I will say delete. Now you can see that it is symmetric. Now dimension I will give 22, which is here, and width is maximum 12.75, so I will select this line and I will give 12.75. now you can see that sketch is fully constrained, so I will close it and I will go for the cut, and here I will say show all. Okay, now I will on my plane. So for this cut here I will select the sketch face is my base face here, and then I will remove the material. So I will select this face and I will say sketch. Now I will give dimension 38 and I will make it symmetric with this. Let's see what is conflicting. This 8 number, I will delete it. Now I will select these 2 points and give dimension of 13.49, which is here. So this 38 and 13.49. Our sketch is fully constrained. Now I will close it and I will make cut and I will say through all. So cut has been adapted. Now I will switch to the isometric view. Now we will remove the material at this portion here. So I will select this face and I will say sketch. Now I require this edge here and this edge here, so simply I will project this edge and this arc here, and now I will draw a 3-point arc. Now I also project this circle because this arc is concentric with this. So I will select the edge of this circle and project it. Now I will select these 2 points and I will say merge. Now I will draw a horizontal line to connect with this arc. Now this arc radius is R19, which we can see here. So 19. Now it is unconstrained, so from this point to the center vertical dimension is 9, so I will select this and give 9 mm. But here profile is not closed, so I will close my profile and I will close it. So you can see that any projected geometry does not includes in our sketch. So I will select line and I will manually draw line to close my profile, and here I will draw arc, and again I draw a 3-point arc here. So now it is fully constrained. Now I will close it. Now I will cut it. So for the cut dimension we will see in the drawing. So we can see here it is a 6 mm depth here. So I will go for cut and I will give 6 mm and I will say OK. Now we will mirror this cut to other side, so I will select this my pocket and I will say mirror, and here I want this exit plane, so I will select this exit plane. So you can see that cut has been adapted on the other side. I will say OK. Now I will go to the isometric view. So here if you see we have covered everything. Now we will cross check, so any dimension got missed. So we have what the dimension we have included, we will just cross check one by one. This we have included, this one included 838 R67, this we have also date, this one R19. So we have not missed any dimension and we have successfully converted our toggle river into the 3D model. Now you can give some color to your part. a random color, or if you want to give some customized color, then go to the appearances and give here some color. I will again change it. Okay, so this looks good. So this is how to convert this login toggle river 3D isometric drawing into the 3D model. I hope you have liked this tutorial, and if you have any questions, then please give your valuable suggestion in the comment section of this video. And if you like my method of teaching, and if you want to support me, then please visit the video description. And at the same time, never forget to like, subscribe and share my video. Your small support will help this channels to grow. I will come with more useful tutorial on a FreeCAD. Thank you for watching, and thank you for your valuable time.